Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 1 Chemical Reactions and Equations. In this chapter, we have started off learning the types of chemical reaction, and also we have learned the combination reaction, decomposition reaction, then we have learned single displacement and double displacement reaction, then oxidation reduction, redox reaction, endothermic reaction, and exothermic reaction. Today, in this video, we are going to continue that topic, which is types of chemical reactions. And we will learn the eighth type, which is precipitation reaction. What are the precipitates and what is the precipitation reaction? Today we will learn in this video. So let us start. Precipitation reaction, a chemical reaction occurring in an aqueous solution where two ionic bonds combine, resulting in the formation of an insoluble salt. This is a chemical reaction which is occurring in the aqueous solution. In the aqueous solution, two ionic bonds combine and resulting in the formation of an insoluble salt. And this insoluble salts formed in precipitation reactions are called precipitates. So we got insoluble salts, they are formed in precipitation reactions and they are called the precipitates. Now you can see how the precipitates are look like in this test tube. Precipitation reactions are usually double displacement reactions involving the production of a solid from residue called the precipitate. You can also say that is the another example for the precipitate. These reactions also occur when two or more solutions with different salts are combined. If we have two or more solutions with different salts, then when they are combined, we get also this reaction which is precipitation reaction, resulting in the formation of insoluble salts that precipitate out of the solution. Let us see some example of precipitation reaction. One of the best examples of precipitations reaction is the chemical reaction between the potassium chloride and the silver nitrate, in which solid silver chloride is precipitated out. This is the insoluble salt formed as a product of the precipitation reaction, and the chemical equation for this precipitation reaction is like AgNO3 aqueous plus KCl aqueous. It gives AgCl, which is form of precipitate, plus KNO3. In this reaction, a white precipitate called a silver chloride, or you can say AgCl, is formed, which is in the solid state. And this solid silver chloride is insoluble in water. Precipitation reaction help in determining the presence of different ions present in a particular solution. Now let us see the another example for the precipitation reaction. So the other example of a precipitation reaction is the reaction between calcium chloride and the potassium hydroxide, resulting in the formation of an insoluble salt called calcium hydroxide. The chemical equation for this reaction is 2KOH, it means potassium hydroxide, which is of the form aqueous, plus CaCl2, it means calcium chloride, which is of the form aqueous, and it gives CaOH twice, it means calcium hydroxide, which is also form of aqueous, plus 2KCl aqueous. So that is the another example for the precipitation reaction. Now let us see some more examples of precipitation reaction, which are AgNO3 plus NaCl, it gives AgCl plus NaNO3. It means silver nitrate is reacting with the sodium chloride and it gives silver chloride, which is of the form precipitate, and we get also the sodium nitrate. Another example, MgOH twice plus 2HCl, it gives MgCl2 plus 2H2O. Magnesium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid, it gives magnesium chloride plus water. So these are the examples for precipitation reaction. So in this video we have learned what is precipitation reaction and their examples. Thank you.